All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're talking about drama in the tool review community. Now, I'm not going to name names, I'm not going to tell you this, but Denatools on my wrench video sent me an email, give me some tips on testing, and nice guy, I don't understand why there's so much drama in the tool review community, and I agree with him. I don't know why there's so much drama. I don't know why people just can't do their own thing and do their own thing. If you don't want to watch my channel, go watch somebody else's. I'm not going to change my content to make one, viewer or a segment of viewers happy. You like my videos? Watch them. You don't like them? Go watch something else. Simple as that. Since I've been on YouTube, there's been multiple cases of drama, and I stay out of it. I really do. I don't want to talk about it. But my message to all those YouTubers out there that start getting into it, just forget about it. Don't worry about what the other guy does. Don't worry about, them trying to grab views. Do your own thing. I mean, there's, YouTubers I can get completely ticked off about, doing stuff, based on my content and in response to my content or whatever. You know what? I don't care. If you want to watch their channels, watch their channels. If you want to watch my channel, watch my channel. I think the tool community needs to get their heads out of their butts and realize it's a community. There's a bunch of different people doing tool reviews. No reason to fight them. No reason to, badmouth them on a video. No reason for any of this drama to really be involved. Just, if you don't like a YouTuber, just don't be a troll. As a YouTuber, don't go troll somebody else. Just leave them alone. Forget about them. Don't talk about them. Don't, send people to their videos. I'm friends with a lot of YouTubers. I've hung out, I've drank, I've, done a ton of stuff with a bunch of YouTubers. You know what? I wish all of them all the success in the world. I'm going to do my thing, you do your thing. Let's stop the drama. I'm not going to bring up what brought up this video, but anyway, thanks for watching. I am the flatratemaster.